cost per lead on your offer ads jumped way too high over the last few months? If you give me the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through a simple framework that explains why your ad copy stopped converting, but then how to fix it using 5 specific ads that work together as a system for Andromeda on Meta. Now, I've put together the actual starting 5 ad frameworks. These are the 5 ad copy templates that I use for my clients when their campaigns stop performing too well. So if you would like this, drop the word 5 below and I'll send them to you for free. No email needed, okay? Hi, I'm Tina from tinasanford.com. Now, since 2019, my son and I have been helping businesses to engage their cold leads and to turn their underperforming funnels into high converting assets, all without rebuilding their entire marketing system. And in every video right now, I'm going to give you a strategy that you can use straight away after watching my video. But today, I want to talk about a pattern that I'm seeing again and again when I help people out with their ads. Offer ads that work brilliantly for months, sometimes even a year, they suddenly became too expensive to run. The cost per lead climbs, and then the ad stops being sustainable. Now, what I've noticed is, talking to lots of people, most people are trying to fix this by changing either their offer, they are questioning the price they now have it at, they are swapping out their lead magnet, they're tweaking their positioning, okay? But after reviewing hundreds of ad accounts over the last few months, I can tell you this clearly. The offer is usually not the problem. The problem seems to be ad fatigue for most people. Your audience, if you think about this, has seen the same message on their phones too many times, and that's why they stopped responding to it. They just scroll right past it, so it's like that thing again, you know. But most online businesses, coaches, and service providers are not realizing this. So what they're doing is they're changing the wrong things instead. So I want to share with you what you can do. Here's the solution that we've noticed works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, stop running 1 or 2 ads on repeat. Instead, create 5 different ads, what I call starting 5, and each one will answer a different kind of inner question that your ideal client has about working with you. So the thing that's top of their mind, not yours. Step 2, you're going to put all 5 ads into just one campaign, and this matters right now because with the new Andromeda update, Facebook's learning who your ideal client is much faster when all your ads messaging lives in one place. Okay. Step 3, let the algorithm show each person the ad that they need to see based upon where they are in their decision-making process. You stop guessing, let the system do the matching for you. This works because we know that people do not need the same message at the same time. One person maybe need to understand how to experience you, another one needs proof that it works, someone else just might need clarity on the first step. And when you only run 1 or 2 ads, you're kind of hoping that everyone responds to that same kind of message, but in reality that rarely happens. So with the starting 5, you actually give Facebook like 5 clear messages to work with at least, so it can match the right message to the right person automatically based on their behavior. And when performance starts to dip, you rotate the bonus frameworks in to keep things fresh. It's simple. This system removes that ad fatigue without forcing you to reinvent your offer every few months. How cool is that? And if you'd like our starting 5 guide with the exact structure for each of the 5 ads, just drop the number 5 below. I can send this over to you, and I'm going to be honest with you, it'll save you weeks of rewriting ad copy that still doesn't work. You're going to get 5 proven angles that keep your campaigns fresh. It's going to lower your cost per lead, and it's going to bring you back that steady flow of booked calls.